JaLingo's expression of the week is puppy show. Puppy show is a term used to describe someone as if they are from a puppet show. Other meanings include someone who acts ridiculously, to ridicule someone because they have done something ridiculous or foolish. And this is also commonly used in the expression take somebody for puppy show, which means to make fun of someone or to shame them to make them look ridiculous. A scenario in which you would hear this expression is a puppy show that man. As soon as he left the yard, the wife bring home an next man and give him gun. This would actually mean he is a fool, because as soon as he leaves home, his wife brings a new man to cheat on him with. Related words include clown and idiot. Remember to download the exclusive JaLingo app from the iOS App Store if you want to see more words, proverbs, or expressions. Also, click on the download links in the description box below. Thanks again for watching and have a great day.